Good morning. As discussed in our last meeting, you presented the nursing administration with challenges to reduce turnover and/or increase recruitment immediately. I have several ideas to address both issues. I will first discuss my thoughts regarding retention and then go into my ideas about recruiting new nurses. In order to fill the expected 20% vacancies for licensed nurses, we must keep the nurses we have and acquire new talent. The first strategy I recommend putting in place to reduce turnover is exit interviews. By conducting exit interviews, we may identify reasons nurses are leaving our medical center and also discover why these nurses even started looking for positions outside of our health system. I believe these interviews should be conducted by a third party in order to promote honest responses, and after conducting the interviews for a short period of time, we can compile the data and look at opportunities that we have as a medical center. Immediately, I think we should survey the nurses we have on staff. Have the survey ask questions regarding job satisfaction so that we can see what is making our nurses happy and what would keep them happy. We know that happy and healthy nurses don't leave. This strategy would offer us immediate feedback and show us where our opportunities lie and what we could potentially elaborate on in order to retain these nurses. In combination with the survey, we can start small group town hall meetings to get additional feedback. Also for retention, I think we need to develop a healthy living incentive program for our nurses. Nurses work long hours at a demanding job. We need to ensure that our nurses are healthy in order to take the best care of our patients. This incentive program would reward nurses for completing not only physical challenges, but also mental health challenges. The incentive program would also make things like gym membership, weight management clinics, and wellness coaching available to nurses at a discounted price. Recognizing that our nurses need to be physically and mentally healthy acknowledges their value. My last idea for retention is a recognition program. The program would allow leaders to recognize nurses on their staff that are exceptional. The monetary amount does not have to be large, but a recognition for a good job well done is essential for job satisfaction. This recognition program can grow as we evaluate its success. There would eventually be tiers of recognition with correlating monetary rewards. Next, I think bonuses could not only reduce turnover but also increase recruitment. We could offer nurses at the facility bonuses if they recruit a nurse and also offer a bonus to the nurse recruited. The new nurse would have to stay employed for a designated period of time before collecting the bonus, and the existing nurse would also get the bonus at the end of the designated time. This option kills two birds with one stone. Another way to increase recruitment is to visit local nursing schools and any job fairs to get our facilities' names out there. At these job fairs and nursing school visits, we can discuss our robust benefit package and have on-the-spot interviews with nurse managers of the units that are more difficult to staff. My last idea for recruitment is loan forgiveness and continuing education reimbursement. Nurses are sometimes graduating with school loan debts and therefore taking the highest paying job versus the most desirable job. If we could offer to pay off a portion of their loans, more nurse graduates may be attracted to our facility. Likewise, if we were able to contribute to continuing education, this may attract not only new graduates who wish to pursue their BSN or MSN, but also seasoned nurses that want to do the same. Recruitment and retention are always going to be difficult to manage. Recognizing what makes nurses stay and what attracts them will be the key to a successful increase in recruitment and decrease in turnover. Nurses have so many options for employment that making our facility a great place to work is vital.